Hi guys! Since I have spare time today, so I need to cook something. I felt boring and nothing to do, so I will do soup. So these are my ingredients. I have onion, tomato, squash, ginger, and chili because I love spicy soup, and this one is good for our body if sometimes you want our body to feel hot a bit, because it's one of our energies having a spicy. Mungo, green mungo and cabbage. I have this for my soup. See, this squash is very nice, cheesy squash. So this whole squash I will put in this one my soup lah. Mungo, you know guys, very tasty if you boil the ribs and the mungo together, including all the spices with lemongrass, chili, ginger, onion, tomato, all the spices you put together while boiling, and salt of course, and granule seasoning. So as you can see, this one is very tasty. Sticky siya, medyo sticky siya kasi luto na, pero ang sarap guys, promise. Very tender and al dente. Very nice soup. Pork ribs is very nice. It's very you know, I'm eating this one without rice. It's because green mungo is high in protein. At the same time, the pork ribs is also high in protein. Then the veggies, it will make you full even without rice. Kasi Filipino is always having rice. Filipinos cannot live without rice. But me, by God's grace, I'm teaching my body, I'm training my body, eating without rice. It's because I want to trim my body and I want to maintain my figure. So I just eating with soup. One bowl of soup is so enough for me. And this soup is very satisfying. Soup is the best ever. It gives us a lot of energy. So if I were you guys, if you have vacant time or you have leisurement time, do not forget to include rib soup in your diet. This one is the best. Promise, one bowl of this soup, you will feel full and very satisfying already. And of course, one glass of water. So it's very nice. Very nice meal, actually. And of course, I also telling you guys, listen to your body. Yan, this is the best. I feel satisfied with this. So enough for my one meal without rice. The best guys. Try it. Promise you will be satisfied also.